Good morning, guys. Today I think I'm going to take my Jeep out and maybe my Blazer, maybe do some rock crawling with it or something. Well, this one here. But first, I got to get some work done. Yeah, let's get started. Gotta have my coffee. Daisy. Last night we had some crazy 100+ km/h winds, and it's ripping my soffit off of here. Everything's blowing everywhere. Dang, that wind. And then today it's more or less calm. See. Backing up the trailers. Flat tires. Okay, I'm going to throw a couple more things on here, tarp it, and then we're off to the dump. Okay, let's go. Hello. Household?
Door is busted, so I don't know if you can, like...
Hand bomb it off?
I can't open the door any more than that right now. So.
Okay. Well, I'll see what I can get off of here.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, that wind. for helping me unload. Good job. Okay guys, on my way home, I noticed the canal where a few videos back I lost a battery in. They have emptied it now. Maybe I will have to try to attempt to retrieve my battery out of here. It's not 100% empty, but for the most part it's empty. Okay, just got back to the house. Gonna unhook the trailer, grab my RC truck, off we go. Good. Let's get the truck. Truck and remote, off we go. And now I'm not sure if I should be bringing some rubber boots with me or not, because I don't know how it smells going to be. Man, got me some rubber boots. And we are off. Okay, I figure if I'm gonna rescue my battery out of the canal, I might as well try to find some mud here with my Blazer. Alright, it's super windy outside, so most of this is probably just going to have music over top of it, so enjoy. That's all I got with the Blazer, guys. I had some front diff issues, and yeah, that mud was super sticky. Anyway, let's go see if we can't find my battery. Alright, here we are at the dam. Search begins. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick walk over the dam, see if I can't see anything just walking over, and if not, then we're gonna have to get down there and start looking in between some rocks and stuff. So let's go have a look, see. Now the wind is picking up like crazy again, so hopefully you can hear me. Alright, so I was hoping I was going to be able to see it from here somewhere. Okay guys, I'm going to switch over to my GoPro and a head strap. Hopefully that works. Alright, here we go. Hopefully we don't need boots for this. Alright. Okay, so it's in here somewhere. Alright. Yeah, it could be in this deeper stuff, and then good luck with that. Come on, battery, come on. Well, I'm gonna go get my boots on, and we'll go look from there. Maybe I'll have to get my drone out and get a bird's eye view as well. That might help. Put down my boots. I'm not sure how much I want to take my drone up. It's getting quite windy. Go that way. There you go. There you go. Alright. No battery up here. My guess is it's in here and I won't get it. Problem's gonna be, it's gonna be in one of those cracks, and then we'll never find it. I wonder where my pole went. I had a pole in here too. Can't even find that. Alright, let's go get the drone. I don't know about this wind. Look at this. She is fighting for her life. It is gusty. Wow. Well, that was a super big fail. I guess no battery for me. Well guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. I'm gonna head home and edit all this stuff. If you like this video, please comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know on what you would like to see in a future video. Well, thanks for watching guys. I will see you next time.